Well, I think we'll ride over to check out a Cajun restaurant in Georgia. Dang, that'd be fun, wouldn't it? Oh, what a mess. Junk. Well, y'all already here? Well, dang. I wasn't expecting you to be here this early. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. We go for a ride, a Thursday ride with me, TBBB and DBBBD ride. A Thursday ride that might air on a Monday or Tuesday. Monday or Friday. Hell, I don't know when it's going to ride, but air, whatever. Run that intro. Welcome to Blue Bike and Doors Channel as we go for a ride over to Acworth, Georgia and check out a Cajun restaurant new to us. Yeah, get me some shrimp and grits. Hey y'all, welcome back to Blue Bike and Blue. English is not my first language, you would think. Welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doors Channel. How you mama name? It's a cool Thursday morning at 9:17. 45. It says it's 45 degrees, so that should be about right. 45, 49. Supposed to warm up to about 80. Yep, 80 degrees. That's a good, it's spring weather. It's good spring weather. Yep. Cool in the mornings and not too hot in the evenings. It won't be long in that summertime. I'll be here and be 80 degrees in the morning and 105 in the evenings. Whew. Oh lordy, that's gonna be hot. It's the south. It's humidity. Yeah. So we're gonna ride over to Acworth, Georgia. Never been to this place. Downtown Acworth on Main Street. Henry's Louisiana Grill. I think that's the full name of it. I ain't having shrimp and grits. I like my grits, I like my shrimp, but I just don't like them together. I know. Some people do. I don't. Maybe it's the way they cooked them. I don't know. I just rather keep my shrimp and grits separate. You know what I mean? Don't feel detected. Just get on your side of the road. Yeah, I know. Yeah, let's search for fuel. I know where I'm going. That's where we meeting at. The Sun Cold in Buchanan. Yeah, so we're gonna ride with, I don't know who all's coming, Barry maybe, and then we'll probably ride by a winery or something. I don't know. Wineries, the ones over there don't open till like 2 o'clock on weekdays, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday and Friday, 2 to whatever, 6, 9, I don't know. And then on Saturdays 12 something to something. Yep. So let's see. There, that's where I want to go right there. Yep, that's it. It says it's seems like we done did this once, hadn't we? We almost run out of gas, but my light was on before then. It just came on now, so I know I got plenty of gas to go 8.3 miles. We turn and go down. What does it want me to go down that way and then go across? Go down 6 miles and then maybe that's not where it's taking me. I don't know. I don't go that way. I go this way. It's easier. We'll see you when we get to the gas station. We'll see you when we get there. Well, just us. He said we didn't decide where we was going to late last night. He figured everybody wouldn't see it. Well, it's also Thursday. People at work. This is a lucky brunch Thursday ride for us. A lucky ride. Might go to bike night tonight. I don't know. I don't know if they're having it. GoPro stop recording. Sitting back there. We're gonna shoot across this little country road right here. Shoot across this country road. Of course, it gets busy all of a sudden when you get up to a road. Damn, lady, you know, what am I saying here? I don't know. You know how they used to say, or women's car insurance is cheaper? I don't. You probably need to rethink that, because I've seen a whole lot more aggressive women drivers. Just like this then, that silver car was turning, and that lady went over in the turning lane, kind of just to go around her, because she was in that big a hurry. Which that car didn't wait that long. You know what I mean? So we got like 40 miles to get over there. Just a little country ride through these country roads.
Sunrise hums, the road calls his name. Door fires a blue seal, we're riding just the same. With her three wheels rolling right behind, through the winding roads, chasing good times. Old hands barking, ready to ride. Leather and chrome, freedom by his side. Southern cruisers, burning daylight riders too. Wherever the rubber meets the road, he'll see it through. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. Behind the house, he's got a shed full of dreams. Hobo freight treasure stacked up to extremes. Tinkering and cussing, making something new. A little bit of mischief, a whole lot of blue. Both the bridle, hear the seal roar. One more mile, then 1,000 more. A life well ridden, a road well known. On that blue bike, he's never alone. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. Twist the throttle, hear the seal roar. One more mile, then 1,000 more. A life well ridden, a road well known. On that blue bike, he's never alone. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. So if you see that Harley shining so bright, no boys out there riding through the night.
Hi, folks. We almost over here in Acworth, or almost 7 miles more. But Acworth's pretty close to Atlanta. And look at these roads we got here this close to Atlanta. That's called living in the South. Well, we found the traffic. That was scary. Couldn't see around them trucks in that car, you know, like you might think nothing coming and run into us. Where Amazon delivery, that's where our deliveries come from. Amazon. Amazon Prime deliveries. We almost to this place. 3 miles. Heating and cooling. J&R. James and Randall. I guess I just made that up. There's a famous YouTubers from this part of the world. It's Finnegan, you know, from Roadkill. Pasture with Finnegan and all. He lives up here somewhere. Well, we go under 75, yep. Fresh filtered water, fish ice, okay? Maybe it says fresh ice, big bird. Fish ice, I thought it said, but I think it says fresh ice. There's 75. Or whenever you watch it be done gone. Alright, we gotta find a place to park. We're getting close to this place in about 400 yards. We'll be downtown and be looking for a place to park. Street parking. See if we can find a good place. Oh, looks like... Let's see if I can see out through there. Park here or go down. I think we'll just park right here and walk up there. I think it's on up there. But I figured it wasn't no more parking up that way. Ooh, dump truck. You hadn't? Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you. It was real good. There was a ice cream shop right next door. We could have went there. Yep. And then there's a Cuban restaurant I have to come back and try. Very good. Very good food. Catfish was okay. Had that muddy taste to it. They didn't fillet it right or something around the stomach. Hey, we got to turn my camera. Oh. I guess Barry's gonna lead. Main Street events. Okay, Main Street events. After Main Street events. Have an Easter service or something. Yeah. Huh. I don't know what I was going to say, but they're going to get her. Was that a Ukraine flag? So we're going to head back to Bikers Going Wild. Y'all didn't see that? We all made it. This is a new bridge. I don't think I've ever been across here. I don't know if I have. I've never been downtown. No. Ooh. See them $1? Nope. Can't see them $1 houses. Old money over here and new money over there. Alright, we made it through the red light. It's lunchtime, 1 o'clock. Look at the traffic. And over here in Big D, Georgia. Dallas, Georgia. Downtown eats. Eats what? Eats food, sugar, biscuits. Restaurant. Sugar Biscuit looks like it's doing pretty good. Right there where we gotta go. Bikers gone wild. Alright, there you are, bikers gone wild. I don't know why she didn't.
My wife's an artist and works with her hands. Shane Company helped me create a ring that's beautiful and sleek. She loves it.
Shane Company rings are crafted with care using high-quality materials. And we set each center stone by hand in our jeweler's workshop right here in our store. We also
Yeah.
protect your ring, including the center
In a
unmatched free
okay.
lifetime warranty.
Biker.
ShaneCo.com. Shane Company, your friend and jeweler.
Yeah, I'm recording. So we that looked like a Harrison County Sheriff Department truck. So we're gonna head to the house, rest a little bit, and do something this evening maybe. A little concert hall. We'll see what it does. I won't get nothing. I get too ribby out of it. So go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, give me a thumbs up. Don't cost you nothing to subscribe to my channel. Like 300 have 2,000.